So in this video, I'm going to be showing everyone how to create content for TikTok and how I specifically create content for TikTok. So if you don't know, TikTok is the most downloaded app in the App Store. It's definitely something you want to take advantage of. There's a massive audience to be distributing your content to. So I'll usually use TikTok for making videos like this where I share a clip of my YouTube video and I'll put some stickers on there, and I'm just going to be showing you exactly what I do and what I upload. And as you can see, it definitely gets some traction, some views. All these videos here have over 100 views, or at least most of them. And it's something that you can definitely drive traffic from another source and get more eyeballs on your videos and your brand and yourself. So you're going to need some apps to actually make this specific kind of content that I do. So I just take the URL here from my YouTube video and I'll copy that. And once I have that URL copied from my YouTube video, I'll go into this app here called Video Saver. And what you can do is actually download a video from YouTube right onto your phone. So you'll go to home there, and then the direct URL, you'll punch that in. And then you can call whatever you want. I'll just call a test here, download that. And you'll look at that little check mark there in the corner. And from there, if you close that out, you will see it's downloading. So I'll speed this up here. So it's almost done downloading here. It's downloaded onto the app, and then from here you have to just export it into your camera roll on your phone. So just click that three dots there and then export, and that will be saved, and that video is downloaded onto your phone. From here, you want to close that out. And now I use this app here called Splice. It is a video editing software for your phone. We'll open that up there. And from here you could load in any video that you have, or even pictures on your phone. So let me just show you here. You could start a new project and click that plus symbol. But I'm going to be using that previous project. This is just as an example to show you, so I can actually show you the exact video that I showed you earlier on my TikTok. And what I did here is I basically just loaded in the video and I cut the video to 57 seconds. So right now the limit for the amount of time that you can make a TikTok for if it's from your phone is 60 seconds. So I put in 57 seconds of that video, and then I put in the title screen here and I put in the text, visit channel and bio for full video with a camera emoji. So what this does is it just kind of teases them and will give them incentive to visit my channel, the link in my TikTok that links directly to my YouTube channel. And so that 57 seconds is just kind of a teaser and just give them a little glimpse into what the video is going to be about. From here you could save that video. So here it's exporting onto my phone. So now what you're downloading is the clip of your video with the title screen. So this is what's going to be uploaded to TikTok. You're actually going to be uploading it with that title in already, so you don't have to make that after you've made it in the video editing app. So now that's saved onto my phone. And on Splice you could do kinds of things like put in music or different filters and effects, but you can also do that in TikTok. So let's open up the TikTok app here. From here you want to click on the plus in the center of the bottom there, and that will allow you to upload something new. This here you can see this is my YouTube channel that I have linked to my profile. So if you click that little YouTube icon, it will bring them directly to my YouTube channel. After you click that plus, you're going to want to load in that most recent video that you had downloaded. So as you can see, it is in the first video here. And here is the video loaded that I just made in Splice, and it's at 57 seconds with a 3 seconds of the title screen. It might come out to be like 59 or 101, so you'll have to just basically select, make sure you're getting that first word in of the video, and then you'll click on next. From here, again, you could put in sounds and special effects and music and text. So TikTok has a massive library of effects and music that you can put in. There's countless amounts of different filters and music and sounds. You can take other people's sounds and music and put it on your video, and you can put in these filters here, like warping your face, or you can even do that little, I believe it was like 9 boxes of the video. You can put in text, change the color of the text, the font of the text, center it, and move it around. But here what I do usually for my content is I'll put in a GIF on my video and just kind of sporadically put them in relation to what I'm saying in the video. So let's say I'm talking about stocks in the video, you can load in charts, and so I chose this little GIF here of charts, and that should go pretty good with if you're talking about stocks. Again, TikTok is an app where pretty much it's mostly funny videos or short clips, but there's also a large audience for business and finance and investing. It's actually larger than you might think. So there's definitely your niche on there. There's fitness people, and there's just so many niches on here. So no matter what you do or what you cover on your channel, you can take advantage of TikTok and get that audience. It is the largest, most downloaded app on the App Store, so you can't discount TikTok. So again, I'm putting in a GIF here. Let's say I'm talking about Apple, as far as Apple stock, that is. I can put in this GIF here of an apple and move it around, size it to how I want. And then when you click on that little clock, you'll be able to basically just have that GIF put in for that certain time frame. And it will take a little bit to play around with it, just take a few minutes to line it up correctly. But once you do have your GIFs in there, or whatever effects you want to put on the video, now's the time where you can put in hashtags or tag people. So what I do in my notes is I'll have that visit channel and bio for full video, that little caption, so I could just put it right in there on the title screen when I'm editing in Splice, and I can copy that. But then I'll have my set of hashtags here that I usually use, the hashtags that I use, but I'll add it on I'll add on to those hashtags depending on what the video is about. But from there, you can put in any caption that you want. So let's say I am talking about investing, and the video is about what I'm invested in. I could say, what do you invest in? And that's just a little caption you can put in. Maybe people comment on it, and get more views and traffic that way. But from there, you can go ahead and put the privacy to how you want. Friends, public. Obviously public will give you the most eyeballs on your videos and content. And then from there, you could post it on TikTok. So that's exactly how I post content on TikTok. It's something that maybe you won't become the next big TikToker, but you'll get some more extra subscribers and views that you might have not had on your channel to begin with. If you enjoyed that video, if you got value out of it, be sure to smash that like button, give it a big thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos from my channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post videos just like this every single week for you to enjoy. Finance, business, entrepreneurship, mindset, tips and tricks from my own strategies and my experience. And if you'd like to get notified every time I upload a new one so that you're first in line to see it, be sure to hit that notification bell as well, so that you're notified every time I upload a new one. See you in the next one.